Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of crypto-friendly banking with a service called Nuri, formerly known as bitwala. Now, if you're someone who dabbles in cryptocurrency or is looking for a new bank that integrates seamlessly with your digital assets, Nuri might be worth checking out. But before you jump in, there's one crucial question: what are the fees? Traditional banks can sometimes feel like a maze of hidden charges, and navigating the world of crypto can be daunting with its own set of fees. So, what can you expect with Nuri? Let's break down the good, the not so bad, and the need-to-know fees associated with Nuri's services. Banking without breaking the bank. First things first, the good news. Nuri offers a free bank account with a virtual IBAN, which means you get all the perks of a regular bank account for everyday transactions. Think free SEPA transfers, a debit card for purchases, and even ATM withdrawals, without a monthly service fee. That's right, you can ditch those pesky maintenance charges and finally have a bank account that works for you, not the other way around. Crypto conversions, a fair shake. Now, for the crypto enthusiasts out there, Nuri allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Here's where the fees come in, but they're pretty straightforward. Nuri charges a flat 1% trading fee on all crypto transactions. This fee is already factored into the price you see when buying or selling, so there are no hidden surprises. Network fees, a blockchain reality. It's important to note that there's another fee to consider when it comes to crypto transactions: network fees. These are separate from Nuri's trading fee and are essentially the transaction fees required by the specific blockchain network, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, to process your purchase or sale. These network fees can fluctuate depending on network traffic, so Nuri doesn't include them in their flat 1% fee. However, the app will clearly display the estimated network fee before you confirm your crypto trade, ensuring complete transparency. A few extras to keep in mind. While most everyday banking features are free, there are a couple of additional fees to be aware of. Ordering a replacement debit card will set you back €9.50, and if your average monthly account balance exceeds €50,000, you might be subject to a variable deposit fee depending on the European Central Bank's current rate. This only applies in times of negative interest rates. The verdict: fees that don't bite. Overall, Nuri's fee structure is refreshingly transparent and competitive. The free bank account with its everyday features is a major plus, and the 1% flat trading fee for crypto transactions is reasonable compared to other platforms. Network fees are a fact of life in the crypto world, but Nuri's upfront estimates help you make informed decisions. The few additional fees are minor and clearly outlined. So, is Nuri the perfect fit for you? If you're looking for a user-friendly bank account that integrates seamlessly with your crypto needs, Nuri is definitely worth considering. With their focus on transparency and fair fees, they offer a compelling alternative to traditional banks, especially for those who want to bridge the gap between fiat and crypto. Remember, as always, do your own research before making any financial decisions. But hopefully, this breakdown of Nuri's fees has given you a clearer picture of what to expect. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.